Thank you. Mr. President and distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I seek your permission to present the climate catastrophe in a different perspective. This perspective will take us from fixing climate destruction to stopping the further carnage. It's a big task and raises big questions. I seek your indulgence to share with you my long-standing dream of creating a world of 3 zeros. Our civilization is at a grave risk as we continue to promote self-destructive values. We need to mobilize our intellectual, financial, and youth power to lay the foundation of a new civilization, a self-preserving and self-reinforcing civilization. We, the human inhabitants of this planet, are the cause of the destruction of the planet. We are doing it deliberately. We have chosen a lifestyle which works against the environment. We justify this with an economic framework which is considered as natural as the planetary system. That economic framework thrives on limitless consumption. In order to survive focused education, safety of environment needs a new lifestyle. That lifestyle culture which is based on a different lifestyle. It will be based on zero waste. It will limit consumption to essential needs, leaving no residual waste. This lifestyle will also be based on zero carbon, no fossil fuel, only renewables. This will be an economy based primarily on 0% defined as a non-dividend business addressed to solve social and environmental problems. It will facilitate entrepreneurship for the youth. Young people will get prepared through new education of entrepreneurship. Education of creating job seekers will be replaced by entrepreneurship-focused education. Safety of environment needs a new lifestyle. That lifestyle would not be imposed. It will be a choice. Young people will love that lifestyle as a matter of choice. Each young person will grow up as a 3-0 person. Zero net carbon emissions, zero wealth concentration through building social businesses only, and zero unemployment by turning themselves into entrepreneurs. Each person will grow up as a 3-0 person and will remain a 3-0 person all his or her life. That will create the new civilization. It can be done. All we need to do is to accept a new lifestyle consistent with the safety of the planet and all who live on it. Today's generation of youth will do the rest. They love their planet. I hope you'll join me in this dream. If we all dream together, it will happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Excellency.